Hey everyone, several of you have talked to me about needing a way to have your students annotate onto a document, and doing it with Canvas is great, but Canvas's tool is not as easy for those young kids to use that are especially in grades, I'd say pre-K all the way up through even fifth grade. I have discovered Jamboard, and Jamboard is a very basic tool, but it also has an annotation feature that you can use. It even has the ability for you to do group type projects within it. To use it as a annotation tool, you'll need to create a a picture, an image picture of the product that you're working with. So, for instance, if you had a worksheet that you wanted to um, use in a annotation type area, you would need to probably email it to yourself from one of the local printers, or take a picture of it, or do something so that you get it into an image format, because it will not work without being in an image format. You can even take and do screenshots of it and incorporate the images that way. So with that said, let's go ahead and let's learn how to do this. For simplicity's sake, I have created a image using a screenshot, and you can do this basically with any kind of worksheet. You can actually do it with an image, you can do it with a Google slide, whatever works easy for you. We're going to add this image in by going to the image icon on your screen, click browse, and go to wherever you saved it, where you can just drop it in to where it says drag or drop the file. Once I've done that, I'm going to resize and reposition it so it fits the screen that I'm working on. You cannot change the size of the screen that you are using, but you can adjust the size of the images that you're putting into it. So now I've got my image in here. This is my background, and I want the kids to be able to do such things as put a definition right up here, a picture here in this area. I want the word here that they're going to use, the synonyms for the words and the antonyms for the words in this particular worksheet. They can actually annotate right on the screen. And so the key things that they'll be using are the pen, your eraser, your select tool, your sticky note tool, and the sticky notes are kind of fun if you want to add little sticky notes in. Your image tool, they might possibly want to do this. And this is the shapes. So you can see you've got a variety of shapes here that they can use. There's not a whole lot of them, but they are there and they can be colored. And then here's a text box, and then here's a laser tool. And so with all those pieces in mind, so let's say I want to come in here, and as a student, we put my definition is blah, 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 blah. I can do that here. I can actually come in, and if I go and search on the web, I can find an image and I can copy it and paste it straight in here. Once I paste that cat in, now I can resize it and put it in the area that I want it to be. It looks like I made duplicate copies of them, so I've got one deleted. And there's my cat. Now I have to look for my synonyms and my antonyms, and my worksheet on this particular piece is finished. I can add as multiple sheets as I want to a project, and then the kids can basically do it and turn it in. And here's the beauty I love about Jamboard. You can actually assign it with your Google Assignment LTI in Canvas, just like you do any other Google assignment, and then it makes a copy for each individual student automatically. Hope this helps. Have a great day.